Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart. This is the Warrior 3700P. This is the top of the range on the Warrior range. It benefits from the Lonsin 14 horsepower engine, and that unit is directly coupled to the heavy duty Kiam pump. You'll notice the big brass pump head, and on the top of the pump you've got 3 stainless steel valve caps. There's also 3 on the side, 3 stainless steel pistons, and there's 6 stainless steel valves in there as well. They're the German Parker valves and seals, so it's a very heavy duty pump. Top of the range performance, 3700 psi at 15 litres per minute. You'll see on the front there you've got a water inlet. That's the hose lock connector, so you can snap on your high pressure hose, low water pressure hose onto there. On the side of the pump you've also got the quick release connector for your high pressure hoses, so that will simply snap into there, and then on the other end of the hose you can connect on your high pressure trigger gun, and that just snaps onto there. One of the other reasons people tend to go for the Warrior range is because of the sheer size and duty of the machine. It's very heavy duty, big solid chassis. You've also got oversized wheels on there, so if you want to take it across undulating ground, then it will cope with that very well. And also the handle on the top, that will fold down onto the front, so it actually makes it quite compact if you're worried about space in the back of your van. So that's the Warrior 3700P heavy duty pressure washer. So just going to show you how to start the Warrior 3700P. This unit's got the 14 horsepower Lonsin engine on it. So I've already put oil in the engine. Always make sure you check the oil before you use the machine. On the side of the unit you've got the on-off switch, which you can flip onto on. The controls underneath by the carburetor here, you've got a throttle control, so you've got the tortoise and the hare. Move it right towards the hare, full on. On the fuel, move your fuel across, and on the other lever take the choke across, and then you've got the pull start there. So I'm going to put my foot onto the wheel, hand onto the chassis and give it a pull.